Hi, this is Angela Taylor with Taylor Homestead Soap, and today we go on to mystery soap number 2. What I have done is created a series of soaps based off of children's books. Last week, you're going to have to watch that one up here, was based off a children's book. This soap today will be based off another children's book. I will give you clues throughout the making of the soap. At the end, I will reveal the book that the soap was based on. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up. First thing I'm going to do is pour my lye water solution into my oils. And this has coconut oil, shea butter, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and olive oil in it today. I have in here Blue Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap Supply. Put some titanium dioxide in to lighten it up a little bit. And the book says, and all day, every day, the Wemmicks did the same thing. They gave each other stickers. Each Wemmick had a box of gold star stickers and a box of gray dot stickers. Up and down the streets all over the city, people spent their days sticking stars or dots on one another. The pretty ones, those with smooth wood and fine paint, always got stars. But if the wood was rough or the paint chipped, the Wemmicks gave dots. I couldn't go with gray dots. I just couldn't, so I made them blue instead. This is what I did with this. I took a bunch of shavings that I had and I melted them down inside a plastic bag and I thinned them out, and that's going to be the bottom and the walls of this soap. So I'm going to pour part of this in. I'm going to put the dots on the very bottom. I'm going to put the stars on the top, to the side of it. I'm going to pour some more of this in. We go there, and the last in bed I have is a heart. Now, why in the world would I have a heart, you say? So let me read the next part of this book. One of the people in this book is named Eli, and Eli is a woodworker who makes all the Wemmicks. So Eli stooped down and picked him up and set him on the bench. The maker spoke thoughtfully as he looked at the gray dots. Looks like you've been given some bad marks. I didn't mean to, Eli. I really tried hard. Oh, you don't have to defend yourself to me, child. I don't care what the other Wemmicks think. You don't? No. And you shouldn't either. Who are they to give stars or dots? They're Wemmicks just like you. What they think doesn't matter, Punchinello. All that matters is what I think. And I think you are pretty special. So that represents the heart. All right. I'm going to be piping the soap. This is just like a leaf tip. And I'm not using it to do leaves. I'm using it to just make kind of a design on the top of it. So my goal is to just do like a ribbon effect. Oh boy. This layer, I'm going to put a bit of kind of a mica line, but it's going to be more of a, instead of a mica line, it's more going to be a glitter line. And then I'll put another layer on here. Kind of like a glitter line. I'm going to put yet another layer of glitter on this. So look at this, guys. Look how it like catches. I gotta get, look how it catches all the light. How cool is that? And then when you, oh look, the sides there. Cool. All right. Have a little bit more to put on though. Huh? And more hollow glitter, yay! Children's books always need more glitter. You gotta have glitter in your children's book. Soap. We will be back soon for the cutting of this mystery children's book soap and the reveal of the actual children's book. Here to the cutting of this soap. Look at that, guys. Well then, this is gonna be interesting. Let's see if I'm going to lay it down sideways. I can tell you that right now. I'm gonna lay it down this way. All right, here we go. So here's what happened, guys. I tried the glitter effect on the inside. It was several layers, and it just, it didn't do. It didn't stick. So, but that's interesting. Look at that. Huh. So here's another one. This I got the piping to actually stay on the top. The mystery children's book is You Are Special by Max Lucado. Now, I did do a version of this last year, and I love this book so much that I had to do something similar but a little different with the same book this year. I will link last year's You Are Special soap up in the eye, somewhere up here right now. So, You Are Special, I highly recommend this book. Remember, you are loved. Go be a blessing to someone else today. Bye.